Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide emails in your Gmail inbox. If you want to keep your inbox looking cleaner without permanently deleting anything, archiving is a simple and useful option. When you archive an email in Gmail, it disappears from your main inbox view, but it is still saved in your account, so you can find it again later if needed. This is a great way to reduce clutter while keeping important messages accessible. To begin, open Gmail and make sure you are in your inbox. This is the main screen where your incoming emails are listed. Take a moment to look through the messages and identify the email you want to hide from the inbox. In this example, we are working with a sample email, but the same process applies to any message you want to remove from view without deleting it. Once you have found the email, click the checkbox next to it. This checkbox allows you to select that specific message. After selecting it, Gmail will highlight the row, and you may also notice that the toolbar at the top becomes active with more options. This is how Gmail lets you know the message is ready for an action. Next, go to the top of the inbox and click the Archive button. This button usually looks like a box with a downward arrow inside it. As soon as you click it, the selected email will be removed from the inbox view. That means it is now hidden from your main list of incoming emails, helping your inbox feel more organized and easier to manage. Keep in mind that archiving does not erase the message. If you ever need to find it again, you can search for it using Gmail's search bar or look in the All Mail area of your account. This makes archiving especially helpful for emails you want to keep for reference, but do not need to see every day. A helpful tip is to use archiving regularly for messages that have already been read or handled. Over time, this can make your inbox much less overwhelming and much easier to navigate. And that's all it takes to hide emails in your Gmail inbox. With just a quick selection and one click on archive, you can keep your inbox cleaner while still holding on to the messages you may need later.